Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you a Copy AI. We will guide you through the process of using Copy AI's chat features to generate conversational content efficiently. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Copy AI account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Since we already have an account, we will direct ourselves to the dashboard. As we can see on the screen, there are a lot of features we could use. Well, in our case, we will use the chat features, and it will bring us here. As we can see, it's different from other AI tools like ChatGPT. This is more oriented toward helping us out in completing our project and moving toward a goal-directed activity. The best part about this is they have a real-time search where we can summarize the latest news and write a personalized email. They also have long-form content where we can have any kind of long-form content, just for example, creating a blog post. Lastly, they have brainstormed ideas like, for example, we can generate 10 Instagram captions or even write a product description of something. Then let's go to the project section on the left side located under the chat icon. This is where we can save different projects. This could be a great way for us to put all of our ideas in one place. Let AI to really write a lot of different things about our business. For example, get some ideas for our marketing, for our entire business. This can really help us on getting all of the content in one place. Now, let's go back to the chat section. In the chat section, let's take a look at how we can get started. We can type anything that we want to get from AI in the chat box. We can also attach some files, browse prompts, and improve the writing once we write some characters in the chat box. But first, let's try the real-time search. Let's click the summarize the latest news on generative AI. As we can see, it's generating all of the different articles. Now, let's say we want to use a prompt. So, what we will do is we will click the browse prompts. We can create a custom prompt. We can also choose the pre-existing prompts that can help us as well. So, we have a caption generator, generate content calendar, headline, and all of that good stuff. Now let's try to use the caption generator, and we will put in the theme about generative AI and wait for the results. Very well done. It really gives us the exact results as what we put in the chat box, like asking a questions, use emojis and hashtags at the end. Now, with this specific tool, we also have the option to add to editor. What this does is that we can add this to our editor to later on edit, and we can just click the new project button if one project has been completed. Then we can get started on a new project by clicking another topic. For example, let's click the second topic in the brainstorm ideas part. Once the results are completed, and let's say we don't like the idea, we just click the clear chat button and get started in the same chat once more. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Copy.ai, a tool to generate ideas. We hope that we help you. Start using Copy.ai with the link below, and discover more AI secrets at AIForceHub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.